What'd you say? This is the Chinese Waffle House? Chinese Waffle House? Japanese Waffle House?
Yes, ma'am.
And what is your name?
Ma'am,
What's your name?
my name is OG.
OG?
Yeah,
Okay, you like an OG?
OG.
Like an old gangster?
Yeah, it's like an old gangster.
This is so fun. Thank you so much for inviting me, cousin. You know you camera ready. I love it. You like, Oh, wow. Congratulations, China. We missing you, Eric.
There you go, my Japanese hot dog.
Everybody else is here.
You like my Japanese hot dog?
Oh, wow.